Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we're doing the thin side moldings. It's actually the same day that I finished the other vlog, but I want to make it like a two-part vlog just because I didn't want to do like the thin side moldings, the headliner, the headlight harness stuff. I wanted to split it. Today I'm going to finish up the thin side moldings. As you can see, I already took it out and they are super clean, at least the body, and like that right there. I'm not gonna paint the side skirts because I'm gonna get the PCI side skirts, but I'm definitely gonna take out this door panel, and this thing that's horrible, I gotta change that too. So let me go ahead and start taking out the door panel, give you guys a little quick time lapse, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so the moldings are completely out. I hit them up with a wet towel and I cleaned up the body really good. And look, you can see a little door thing there. I wonder how long that's been there. So I hit it up with a wet towel, cleaned it up a little bit. Gonna finish painting the thin side moldings. I'm gonna go ahead and mount them on. Wish you guys a happy new year, and I hope you guys can subscribe to the channel because I'm bringing in a lot of content. Let's go ahead and keep working. Alright guys, so I started to install some of the thin side moldings. It's getting kind of dark, so I'll leave it for tomorrow. I want to show you this one. You can see the difference. I gave it a little bit of color, but I think I might have to redo them. And this is the other one that goes in the back. You guys can get an idea, and that's about it. I'll come back tomorrow because it's getting dark. I'll see you guys. What up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. This is a couple of days after I started the thin side moldings. I couldn't finish them in time. It was January the 1st, and then I got called in for like 3-day trainings at work, which I'm still doing, and it's just been back-to-back craziness. Let me show you guys the thin side moldings and how it's coming out. This is the one here. I took out the other one. It's been raining a little bit, so I had to put a little bit of tape over the holes just so the water doesn't go in. It's super cold in Miami, so you know, but the weather's definitely been good. Installed this one already and installed that one already. I'm giving it a rattle can black. It's pretty much, it's not like OEM plastic paint, but it's a rattle can black, which for now that's gonna do once I paint the car, which hopefully it's sometime in the next month or the month after or so. Then I'll have those thin moldings painted. So let's go ahead and finish sanding them down. Let's go ahead and finish putting them on. I only got like 2 left, and that's about it. And definitely take out the car today. I'm gonna go out with the boys tonight to Flanny's and definitely get the car running because it's an amazing weather. Alright guys, so basically this is, you know, how much sand that how much I sanded them down. I didn't really want to take all the paint off. You know, I hit it with like 380 grit and they're coming out like that. Let's go look at the other one that's getting primer. Let's hit it with a second coat, and that's about it. Get these bad boys installed. This is definitely ready for the second coat. Let me go ahead and put that on right now, and I'll wait like maybe 10 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and put the black, and I'll bring the other ones to give it a coat too. Door panels back on. This definitely needs to go. This door panel just, you know, this car just needs a whole new door panel. I'm aiming to get the Type R ones. Those are the ones that I want with the red in the middle there. But like I said, little by little, one step at a time. I think the build has moved on a lot. I think I've done a lot to the car. So yeah, little by little, let's keep working. All right, so side skirt is on this side. Gonna go ahead and remove, this car's a mess inside. I gotta put all that back. Gonna go ahead and remove this door panel for me to put the other one. and remove that molding from here, from the USDM one. Gotta put back the armrest and just clean everything up because I'm definitely taking the car out today. So let's go ahead and remove this door panel. All right, I am so almost not tempted to even open this. Look at this. Tell me what Civic still has this intact. Just tell me one. Tag me, DM me, show me whatever. Just show me one Civic that still has that. Nothing has ever barely even been removed in this car. And I'm tempted to not even, almost not even open it, but I have to take out the moldings. All right, guys, so it got late because the battery had died and I was taking out the door panel. The door panel's already out. I cleaned it up. Everything is back on the car. Just gonna put that one back on, that thin side molding. Gonna put this thin side molding, and let's go look at that and see how they come out. See how good they came out after I painted them. Go to the other side. I just finished painting it with the can, and this is basically it. This is how they look, and I think they came out amazing. For now, if you guys ever want to use that paint, I used the Rust-Oleum, Rust Tough Animal, whatever, eliminates rust or whatever. Just used it on that. I used a semi-flat black, and that came out amazing. I mean, just take a look. I'll leave an affiliated link in the bottom for that paint. If you guys want to get it on Amazon, you should be able to get it. I will also leave an affiliated link for these thin side moldings and for the primer to get them. So let's go ahead and put them back on the car, and that's it. All right, guys, so here they are, thin side moldings on for you guys. Check them out. Paint job come out pretty good. Like I said, once I paint the car, these will definitely get painted. Door panel's already in. The whole car is put back together. And yep, that's it. I'm gonna see if I get another sort out another S1000 seat and go from there. I will be taking out the car tonight, so I'll definitely end the vlogs with the boys over at Flanny's. Show you guys what we're driving today. Let's go. So you see, I had to put back that cluster. I was all fucked up. Anyways, I already ordered a Canadian one today, and yep, as soon as that comes in, I'll be able to put that on. All right, guys, so I went out with the boys. Sorry I couldn't record, just the camera didn't have battery. I was charging it in the car while we ate because it was completely dead, so I couldn't record anything coming over here or whatnot. I took out the Civic. Everything looks fine, headliner good on, but I found out that it kind of came off a little bit over here on this part, but it's so stretched out that it kind of it got like separated, but it stayed like stretched out. For now, that's gonna stay like that. I have another one that I gotta prep and I gotta do, but I just got so much work to do on this car that I can't take it out again and redo it again. It's gonna probably stay like that for like a month. It's not sagging. The only thing is that it's a little bit stretched out. You can't even tell unless you put your hand on it. But that's about it. I'm gonna prep the other one. I'm gonna have the other one done, and I'll get that one ready to put it in, but that'll probably take like a month because I gotta do a bunch of stuff to this car still. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Subscribe, it goes a long way, and I'll see you guys on the next one.